Hey guys, Disney Collector here with the Swirling Snow Sled from the movie Frozen. This set comes with Princess Anna. So here's Princess Anna. She comes with a pink cloak, blue skirt, and black boots. This Princess Anna is exactly the same size as a Magiclip doll, so she can wear the Magiclip doll dresses. Let's try it. She's gonna wear Queen Elsa's dress. It fits perfectly. Now Queen Elsa is gonna wear Princess Anna's blue skirt. And the pink cloak. See, Queen Elsa now has a brand new outfit. The only thing missing here are the boots. Let's give Princess Anna her outfit back. The skirt and the pink cloak. Now let's take a look at the sled. This is a snow swirling sled. Ready, princess? Ready. I think Princess Anna could use some company here. Here comes Queen Elsa. Now let's give Princess Anna a brand new dress using Play-Doh. We're gonna give her a sparkling purple dress with blue details. Let's start molding. This is gonna be a little base for her. Princess Anna's dress is done and it came out really beautiful. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Frozen and Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.